Okay guys, so we are back and ready to start the castle of the third war. Oh wow.
Oh well.
Hey, do me a favor. Get off your Yoshi for a bit and kill those guys with your hammers.
Come on. Come on. You know you want to hit me. You hate me. I know you hate me. Oh, look at that. Oh.
There we go.
Look at that, bitch.
Cool. Let's whoa. Here. Oh, whatever. I only had one hit anyway. Go ahead and grab your Yoshi.
I'm not sure how you died that easily.
I was gonna jump so that you could run under me, but you ran too soon.
I can't eat it.
You hit me mid-jump.
I can't eat the bones.
Well, that makes sense. Yoshi can never see them. You can spin jump on that buzzsaw, I think. Yeah. Whoa. Hey, Bones. You could not stand up next to me. I could probably downstab to bounce off it. Oh my god. Move.
This is not going to work out. No! No! The land went away!
The land went away. Along with you, Yoshi, to land down under.
Yep.
I'm not letting you move yet. I'm waiting for those things to go back down. I hope. It was as soon as you land on them.
Fuck with you. Why did that stop moving?
I know why. It's because you... Okay.
3, 2, 1, dance.
Dance Central. Oh shit, motherfucker! That almost turned real bad for me. Can I? Okay, fine. I will Can't hit me here.
Nope.
Man.
Not working.
I was hoping. Oh, whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, gods.
You should probably be Mario.
Probably. Wow. Okay. Moving on.
Getting out of that.
My fire doesn't kill it. Your hammer sure as hell does.
Hammer, it's the, well, it's the answer.
Okay.
Why did I blank on that?
That's sort of a rhyme. Mother, screw you.
What?
Haha! I thought it was going to make me go smish.
Yeah. Oh, well that one did. Fuck you.
That one's like, Luigi go smish.
Why do we do
Teamwork.
this? Teamwork. It's only subjective.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait there.
Yeah.
Can I stab it? Ooh, I can.
You can stab it. Stab it like a little girl.
Stab it like it's hot. Stab it like... Oh, whoa.
Well,
that's
I've
pretty
lost
trippy.
Yoshi to lava. Yeah.
You've lost everything.
Yep.
And I'm at the ball. Whoa! Oh no!
What happened to you?
Oh no! As soon as I walked in, there was platforms that fell away from me and Resnors. A bunch of Resnors over lava.
You really should have been Mario. You went in without me, you dipshit!
That was the point. That way if I died, I could spawn back in.
Oh, well. I guess that makes sense.
I kinda expected to die almost immediately again, too. What was that? The Dungeon of Strange Happenings. Yes, it was.
Was it strange?
God, that was weird. That was a new level for me. We're finally past the stuff that I did with other people. And now we're on the other side of World 4, so this
everything should be completely blind for you now?
Flying Raccoon Zone. Guess what I'm going to be playing as?
A dead cat. Or a guy wearing a dead cat suit.
Hey, get that, get!
Freak.
Scare the crap out of me with your non-responsiveness.
I wasn't paying attention to the screen.
I know, that's why you're not responsive. Whoa. Wonderful.
He killed himself. Yay!
That worked out strangely well. Nom nom nom.
Stop that.
Fine. Those only, yeah, they're only worth 1. That sucks.
Oh, okay.
I bet something good happened. You collect all the blue coins. Oh, okay then.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Move.
No, you can't fly with the Yoshi.
Yeah, I can. Go. Oh, didn't get some blue coins. Missed some. Going to have to spend a lot of time trying to get them. Ooh, hey.
Yeah.
Now, if we could find a time freeze thing, and I could really fly with the blue Yoshi.
Watch it.
Oh shit!
Here I go.
Okay, there we go.
I only
Actually,
missed 1. No.
Actually, for some reason, I remember this level. I don't remember that boss of that castle, but I do remember this level. So that sucks. Sorry, I played some of this game.
You completed it, didn't you? And you're just lying to me.
I don't think I did. If it makes you feel any better, there's like, you know, more other kinds of the game to download and play through.
So, did we get anything?
We haven't gotten all the blue coins.
Oh, we haven't?
No, there's still a lot more. Can I fly?
Collection!
Almost made it. Collection, but we're not British. I'm not playing Banjo-Kazooie. Oh, whoa. That went oddly governmental.
Nose!
Come on! Yes! Sorry, Yoshi.
Poor Yoshi. Don't
Poor
you
Zoshi.
realize you're...
You're just a tool for Mario's ends. Ah! Fat plumber wishes.
What's going on? Why is there so many? I'm just... Hey, I found a Yoshi!
Sweet. I didn't drop him in the water. That's great. Wow.
You dropped him right on the edge of it, though.
Shit. I did not want to fall there at all. No, don't hit me. Go that way.
You know what we need? The blue shell. Oh!
Whoa! Crazy slow down there. Whoops. Damn it. Want flight. Want flight, I want flight, I want flight. More flight.
I need that third hit. Damn it, I missed it. We need to come back in here with a blue Yoshi.
No! There's a hole there!
No!
A blue Yoshi for this would be awesome. I'm going all the way back to where you are now. Well, that's just great.
Yeah,
hey,
I know.
I saw my Tanuki suit.
Ah, well, don't you feel lucky? What the fuck?
I hiccuped.
Oh.
Stop. Well, actually grab that. Yeah, that would be good. We need to go this way.
Why are we going this way?
So we can find a cloud up here we can use for flight. Because if we just go try and fly forward, we won't make it.
Where are you? There you are!
That was epic! Come on.
There we go.
My god, there's so many.
Coin collection, coin collection.
God, I missed a couple. Okay, here we go. Got him. And what did we get? A Tanuki suit.
Really?
Really. Oh, wait. I saw something up there.
I don't know, I'm
No.
dying. I'm dying here. I'm dying.
Okay. Oh, no!
Up.
Random Goomba got me. I saw something up there I want to check out. If I can. Oh! There's a pipe.
A pipe. The pipe, it eludes us. Will he get up there? Or
Okay,
will
so
he die?
I just learned something.
How to
You don't-
die?
There's a key up here.
And now where
And
does
I'm
that key
flying.
go?
Here. Sweet.
Yay!
So I learned that you can fly just by holding the jump button instead of tapping it.
Oh, I was, but yeah, I've done that quite a few times, but hey look, we're back at World 4!
Yeah, we've been... You are so aware.
Apparently I've hurt you again.
Like Nappa hurts Vegeta.
So oh no, we're just gonna complete.
Yeah, now we're just gonna do it.
I tried to eat it. Tongue fell short.
Could use my Tanuki soup. Could,
but isn't necessary. We don't know. What happened?
You came on to my...
Just to bury it in the last second.
I was like, yeah, it's just gonna land right on me, and I can grab this thing, and then I'll have my power roots back, and then you're like, hey, by the way, I'm here. I'm like, oh,
damn it. I can't stop doing that.
Is it really important to you to, like, not burp in my videos or something?
I don't know.
I really don't care. I know so you'll actually find belts funny.
The viewers, the people who are watching everything.
I don't know.
They like a little bit because you know they probably don't like me belching in the air.
I don't know, man. They watch the Nintendo Capri Sun. He seems to make a point to belch like once every 5 episodes or so.
Does he?
Kinda.
I never watched them.
They seem to like it, and they all like him. So there we go. So that's the normal exit that takes us to some Go Goomba.
Gaga.
Huh. Oh wow. Okay. Mario 1 style. You can have that. I don't want it.
Oh wait, yeah, you're right. This is Mario 1.
Yeah, you can have that too if you want. I don't want to fucking lose my Tanuki.
I got two.
You got 2 leaves. You're good.
Yeah.
You got 2 leaves and a Yoshi. God, that's like 2 capes and a Yoshi. The OP as shit setup.
Is it because we can't really cheat the way we did, and you guys did in some of those levels?
I approve. Classichomer approves of this method. This crystal method, in fact.
Crystal meth method. Aww.
Huh? It's coming back.
Oh, go! Yoshi! I fucking hate you! You did this.
Okay, guys, we'll see you next episode.